We are delighted to invite you to our wedding. We are delighted to invite you to our wedding. Save the date for our special day. Save the date for our special day. Please join us as we celebrate our love. Please join us as we celebrate our love. We request the pleasure of your company at our wedding. We request the pleasure of your company at our wedding. You are cordially invited to witness our union. You are cordially invited to witness our union. It would mean the world to us if you could attend. It would mean the world to us if you could attend. Join us for a celebration of love and commitment. Join us for a celebration of love and commitment. Please RSVP by December 1st. Please RSVP by December 1st. We hope you can make it to our wedding. We hope you can make it to our wedding. Let's celebrate love together. Let's celebrate love together. Join us for the engagement party. Join us for the engagement party. You are invited to our bridal shower. You are invited to our bridal shower. Please attend our rehearsal dinner. Please attend our rehearsal dinner. Celebrate with us at our bachelorette party. Celebrate with us at our bachelorette party. Let's kick off the wedding festivities together. Let's kick off the wedding festivities together. We'd love to see you at the pre-wedding brunch. We'd love to see you at the pre-wedding brunch. Join us for a day of fun before the big event. Join us for a day of fun before the big event. Help us celebrate the countdown to our wedding. Help us celebrate the countdown to our wedding. Be part of our journey to the altar. Be part of our journey to the altar. Join us for a toast to the bride and groom. Join us for a toast to the bride and groom. Getting ready for the big day. Getting ready for the big day. Rest-fitting day. Rest-fitting day. Finalizing the guest list. Finalizing the guest list. Choosing the perfect flowers. Choosing the perfect flowers. Testing our wedding menu. Testing our wedding menu. Kicking out our wedding rings. Kicking out our wedding rings. Practicing our first dance. Practicing our first dance. Preparing wedding favors. Preparing wedding favors. Planning the ceremony details. Planning the ceremony details. Treating our wedding playlist. Treating our wedding playlist. Please stand as the bride enters. Please stand as the bride enters. We are gathered here today to celebrate love. We are gathered here today to celebrate love. Do you take John to be your lawfully wedded spouse? Do you take John to be your lawfully wedded spouse? I do. I do. You may now kiss the bride. You may now kiss the bride. Introducing Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Introducing Mr. and Mrs. Smith. We are so happy to share this moment with you. We are so happy to share this moment with you. Exchange of rings. Exchange of rings. Vows of love and commitment. Vows of love and commitment. Englishㅣ candle lighting. Englishㅣ candle lighting. Welcome to the reception. Welcome to the reception. Thank you all for coming. Thank you all for coming. Let's raise a glass to the happy couple. Let's raise a glass to the happy couple. First dance as a married couple. First dance as a married couple. Cutting the wedding cake. Cutting the wedding cake. Bouquet toss. Bouquet toss. Garter toss. Garter toss. Father-daughter dance. Father-daughter dance. Mother-son dance. Mother-son dance. Enjoy the dinner and drinks. Enjoy the dinner and drinks. Here's to a lifetime of happiness. Here's to a lifetime of happiness. Cheers to the newlyweds. Cheers to the newlyweds. May your love continue to grow. May your love continue to grow. To the bride and groom. To the bride and groom. Wishing you both all the best. Wishing you both all the best. Thank you for sharing this special day with us. Thank you for sharing this special day with us. May your marriage be filled with love and laughter. May your marriage be filled with love and laughter. Here's to a wonderful journey together. Here's to a wonderful journey together. May your life together be blessed. May your life together be blessed. To love, laughter, and happily ever after. To love, laughter, and happily ever after. Thank you for being part of our special day. Thank you for being part of our special day. We appreciate your love and support. We appreciate your love and support. Thank you for your generous gift. Thank you for your generous gift. We are grateful for your presence at our wedding. We are grateful for your presence at our wedding. Your attendance meant the world to us. Your attendance meant the world to us. Thank you for making our day unforgettable. Thank you for making our day unforgettable. We are so thankful for your kind wishes. We are so thankful for your kind wishes. Your gift was greatly appreciated. Your gift was greatly appreciated. Thank you for celebrating with us. Thank you for celebrating with us. We are so blessed to have you in our lives. We are so blessed to have you in our lives. Off to our honeymoon adventure. Off to our honeymoon adventure. Starting our married life with a dream vacation. Starting our married life with a dream vacation. Time to relax and celebrate our love. Time to relax and celebrate our love. Exploring new places as newlyweds. Exploring new places as newlyweds. Our first trip as a married couple. Our first trip as a married couple. Honeymooning in Hawaii. Honeymooning in Hawaii. Creating beautiful memories together. Creating beautiful memories together. Enjoying our time as newlyweds. Enjoying our time as newlyweds. Savoring every moment of our honeymoon. Savoring every moment of our honeymoon. Back from the honeymoon and feeling refreshed. Back from the honeymoon and feeling refreshed. You are my everything. You are my everything. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. You complete me. You complete me. Forever starts today. Forever starts today. You are my forever love. You are my forever love. Together is a beautiful place to be. Together is a beautiful place to be. You are my happily ever after. You are my happily ever after. My heart is yours forever. My heart is yours forever. To the moon and back. To the moon and back. With you, I am home. With you, I am home. Congratulations on your wedding. Congratulations on your wedding. Wishing you a lifetime of love and happiness. Wishing you a lifetime of love and happiness. May your love story never end. May your love story never end. Here's to a beautiful future together. Here's to a beautiful future together. May your marriage be filled with joy. May your marriage be filled with joy. Best wishes on this wonderful journey. Best wishes on this wonderful journey. May your life together be full of love. May your life together be full of love. Congratulations on finding each other. Congratulations on finding each other. Wishing you both a lifetime of love and laughter. Wishing you both a lifetime of love and laughter. May your wedding day be the beginning of a long and happy life together. May your wedding day be the beginning of a long and happy life together.